At Tabular Editor, we will be releasing some new completely free courses about some of the new features and tools in Power BI that help you work with Power BI semantic models. For example, the TMDL view, notebooks with semantic link and semantic link labs, and once they're available, DAX user-defined functions or UDFs. These courses, called the Practical Introduction Series, are designed to get you up to speed as quickly and conveniently as possible so that you can understand what these features are, when and why you might use them, and if it looks like something that's valuable for you, how you can get started right away. These courses are intended for anyone of any experience level, so you can jump right in and benefit from guided video trainings, examples, sample data with the Spaceparts dataset, a free SQL database that you can use to learn any tool, and some interactive materials so that you can really start to deal with things in a more interactive way and embed this knowledge in your brain. The first course that we're going to be releasing is about the TMDL view in Power BI Desktop and how it can help you be more productive and efficient. For example, we explain what is TMDL and why you should care, walking through a TMDL script step by step with examples, including this supplemental information, and like I said, these interactive pieces so you can understand every piece and part of the TMDL view and TMDL scripts. The next course that we're going to be releasing is about notebooks, semantic link, and semantic link labs, walking through for a Power BI person why a notebook might be interesting, what it is, and how they can benefit from it even if they don't know anything about Python or Spark. We explain this with some simple, straightforward diagrams and examples, and again, these interactive parts that are going to help you understand how you can really find your way around and navigate this new thing and what it really means for you. If this is something that sounds interesting for you, we're going to be releasing these courses completely free at tabulareditor.com/learn, where we already have some training material about how to use Tabular Editor. We hope you find these courses interesting, we hope you find them useful, and above all else, we hope you make better semantic models faster. I'll see you next time.